Hey guys, my name is Mahi. This is a wheat flour based Ganeshji, which is very easy to make. Ganesh Chaturthi festival is on the way, but due to lockdown situation, we can't go out much and shop the type of Ganesh idol that we want. But yes, we can help the environment also by reducing the pollution and making our own eco-friendly, easy handmade Ganeshji for the pujas. So let's get started quickly with the steps. That's the way, 'cause that's my way, Mahi's way. So first we need to take wheat flour. The amount would be depending upon the size of the Ganesha that you would want to make, and then keep on adding water carefully as and when required so that it does not come too soft. Also make sure it is a bit hard so that it is stiff and shapes up perfectly while making the idol. Knead the dough very nicely. I have taken 10 round balls of different sizes, one ball of this size for the face, the other two big balls, one for base of idol and the other one for the body. The next two medium sized balls are for the legs, similar sized balls for the hands. The next one is for Ganeshji's trunk and the other two for the ears. Even if the dough remains, we can use it later for the laddus, as a Ganeshji without modak and mushakraj is incomplete. So with one bowl I have prepared the base of the idol where the Ganeshji would rest, applying water to make the base wet for the idol to stick on it. Now take medium sized ball kept for preparing the legs, roll it into thick cylindrical shape as per the base and place it in a circular manner, starting with the left leg and pressing the end part to make the left foot of the Ganeshji. Now take the other ball for the legs and similarly roll it into a thick cylindrical shape and place it to form the other right leg, but this one with a lifted V or U-shaped manner to elevate the right leg. Now take the big ball which was kept for the body and place it carefully. Keep applying water for the parts to stick together. Place the ball which was kept for the face of Ganeshji on top of the body as shown. Now place another cylindrical shape rolled out of a ball for the left hand of Ganeshji. Shape the palm facing upwards to place the laddu later. Take another cylindrical shape similarly for the other hand and place it on the right side. Shape the palm facing us as shown, usually pointed for giving blessings. Take some dough and press to make the right foot of the Ganesha and place it. Now take another ball for the trunk and roll it so that the top is thick and the bottom is thin to form the shape of the trunk. Now take the small balls kept for ears and press thin into the shape of ears. Attach it to the right and left sides of the face. Take rectangles and circle for the crown and also make small mouths and few laddus with the leftover dough. Add eyes using pepper balls or cloves as you wish. Take a fresh toothpick and give detailing with the help of water to enhance your Ganesha's features. Break the toothpick to form the teeth of Ganeshji and use them. The Ganeshji is ready. Keep it under sun so that it dries quickly. You can now paint it with acrylic paints and celebrate at home as always. Click your Ganesh Idol picture and tag me on Instagram using the hashtag Mahi's Way. Please like and comment if you have found this video helpful and let me know.